Alright, so we got those lined up. Now we'll start over here for our Swaybars. There's 1, 2, and a washer. Don't forget your washer. And the sleeve. Get your sleeve. And you run a washer and 1 more. We'll set it up like this and then just kind of screws our screws this up here. There we go. Now, I might have to get a hammer and tap it up. No, it's doing it pretty good. Now what we're doing is just getting this buttoned up slightly. I'm going to put some anti-seize on that bolt stud there. And the tire apparently. Alright, so we got that. Put the top of this on. Put a washer on the top. And we'll go ahead and get our bolts started here. And now this is all loosely together on this side. Okay, so pretty simple. Now, I'm going to turn off the camera. It's going to be the same as on the other side. And we'll go from there. So I'll catch us up in a minute. Alright, so we've got the Swaybar bushings themselves located in place. Got everything crimped down. You can see the silicone screws out there. There's that one. We've got the links set in. We're going to work on tightening those up now. So a friend of mine mentioned that maybe to help with some of the sway, adjust the torsion bars a little bit. So we'll take a look over here and see about tweaking those. Maybe just a smidge. We'll see. Alright, so new bolt size is, might be a 14 still. Let's see. Oh wow, there's still 14s on the top as well. Okay, well that's pretty cool. We're all set there. There we go. Get these nice and snug here. And go ahead and tighten down here until they just about bottom out. Pretty close. If you look close, you can probably see a couple holes and ball joints. We're going to take care of those eventually. definitely a longer bolt. Just trying to make sure I'm not cranking them down too much. Because there was about, let's see, it was a little bit exposed in this bolt. And that would have been about right there. So I think with our current place, we've got a good, let's see, you can kind of see where the top of that bolt is. The top of the bolt on the right is where the where it was stuck out. Where it was stuck out on the existing, on the original bolt. Okay, so the top of the bolt and the top of the bolt on the left. That's not even making sense. All right, this bolt right here, where that is in relation to the nut on the bolt on the left, is where it was originally. Let's go with that. So we're going to match it up on the left side here and see how it goes. Alright, kind of anxious to see how these work. I'm driving to Orlando on Monday, so I'll be able to give a good driving beach line 528. We'll be able to get a good feeling on those areas of concrete, how well these work. Definitely looking that will make a huge improvement. We'll see. As you can tell, if you look close at the ball joints and everything, all this needs to be replaced. It's all the original suspension up here, except for these. We put one new wheel bearing on the left side, and it was really grinding on that side. I did a little Instagram video. If you want to check out the Combustion Guys Instagram, that little video is on there. Just scroll through the post and you'll see it. And so I got the wheel bearing fixed and it rides. Sounds a lot better. Don't have that grinding with the brake. So really a very good vehicle though. Hasn't taken much money to keep it going, and I like it. Very nice and comfortable. Alright, it seems like everything matches, so we're going to leave it there. Camera might have quit by now. Still going? Camera's still going. Wow, okay, so there you go. Get everything installed. Really liking it so far. We'll see how it lasts. I'll give you a little update and let you see how it goes. Thanks for watching.